Hi, in this video, we will explain what forms you need and what you need to know to file for custody in Washington, D.C. Feel free to check out our custody fact sheet to learn more about custody in D.C. Please also refer to the best interest of the minor child factors that the court considers. Links to both information resources are located on the screen and in the video description below. In fact, you can find all our family law fact sheets on the LawHelp DC website at lawhelp.org/dc/issues/family-law. The process can be confusing and stressful, but do not worry. We will break it down for you into 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to figure out if you can file for custody in DC. Step 2 is to fill out the forms you need to file for custody. Step 3 is to give the forms to the court and the other parent or caretaker. Step 4 is to get ready for the first court hearing. In order to file a case for custody in D.C., it is important to determine if D.C. is the right place to file. This means that D.C. has jurisdiction. You will need to know: where has your child lived the last 6 months? This is the child's home state. What connections to D.C. does your child have? Does a parent or caretaker live in D.C.? Is there a case regarding custody open somewhere else? Is this an emergency situation? If D.C. is the right place to hear the case, you will need to have information ready in order to complete the complaint for custody, such as who is the other parent and what is their address? Where has your child lived the last 5 years? Your child's full name and date of birth. An understanding of what you are asking for regarding custody, for both physical and legal custody, as well as sole or joint custody. Next, you will need to gather the forms you need. Here are the forms you will need to complete in order to start a custody case: complaint for custody and/or visitation form, required confidential information form, also known as a cross-reference form, application for a fee waiver, also known as an IFP, if you want to have filing fees waived. You can find the forms on our website linked in the video description. Alternatively, you can go to the courthouse in person to get a copy of the forms. The address is 500 Indiana Avenue Northwest, Washington, D.C. The Family Court Self-Help Center is located in room JM 570, and the phone number is 202-879-0096. Now you know where to get the forms and what forms you need to start a custody case in D.C. Filing a complaint for custody and visitation affects important rights and duties involving your children. If you think you will benefit from working with a lawyer or want to hire a lawyer, you can use the directory of organizations that provide free legal services to find a lawyer at www.lawhelp.org/dc/findlegalhelp. If you need free brief legal services, you can call the Family Law Assistance Network at 202-844-5428. Please go to dcrefers.org or DC Affordable Law Firm at 120-284-45430 to find legal help at a reduced cost. If you are representing yourself in court, these videos are for you. If you need more help or information, you can also go to the Family Court Self-Help Center, and they can help you complete the forms you need to file to start your case. This help is free. You can also call the DC Bar Pro Bono Center's helpline at 2026-263-4999 for free legal information only, or go to lawhelp.org/dc/issues/family-law. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next up is how to fill out a complaint for custody and/or visitation. This video will guide you through the first step in the process. If you want to know more about other steps in the process, such as understanding the DC Child Support Calculator, filing your forms, serving the other party, and obtaining a fee waiver, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel.